So Thai peanut chicken. This is one of the recipes that I specifically called out for you, mother, because you started doing this when I was in high school, I think, because you had it at
A place
a place.
that makes desserts,
Yes.
but also somehow makes Thai peanut chicken,
Yes.
which I was happy about because I did not want to eat cheesecake for dinner.
Yes. Cheese.
That was good.
Yeah, we're not mentioning the name of the place because they'll come after me.
Yeah, but that's okay because
Okay, third of a cup of
know.
peanut butter so far. Smooth, creamy. Quarter cup of soy sauce. Anything wrong with that?
no, so far so good.
Okay, I also said low sodium.
Yeah, I buy low sodium
Okay.
because your dad is old and shouldn't have it. What's that?
Sesame oil. Sesame oil is a good thing to have in yourself.
I don't put it in the sauce though.
What?
Nope. And chili
Oh.
paste, that's not what mine looks like. Mine is sambal. It's like little bits of
Yeah.
pepper in a reddish sauce. It doesn't look like that.
I don't know why I started doing gochujang over.
Yeah, that's
chili
gochujang,
paste.
not sambal. Sambal is what you want to do.
But I say sriracha there.
Sriracha's also different.
Sriracha's
And
like your thing, but without, what is this,
do you know
water?
both hot water? Is it hot water?
Yeah, because I thought that would break up the peanut butter better.
Yes, it does. Also, I make twice the amount of sauce as the recipe calls for, almost universally.
Where did you even find a recipe for this?
I found it on the interweb.
Brown sugar.
Yes. Oh, I see one thing you're missing. What is
Tell
that?
me. That's ground ginger.
Ginger? No, you have to put fresh ginger in. Frozen works best. You freeze your ginger. Freeze your ginger and then grate it, and it's perfect. And you don't have to listen to the people who say to peel the ginger. The ginger's fine just grating it right up.
I don't know about that.
You're sloshing everywhere, David.
Well, that's what we do in this world. We slosh.
You did not put any coconut extract.
Yes, and
That's important.
the thing is that coconut extract is, in fact, bad.
No.
Yes.
You need the coconut extract in this dish
So that it tastes worse.
so that it tastes coconutty.
Well, that's the thing, is that it's not supposed to taste
Did you speed
coconutty.
this up? I don't think you actually whisk that fast.
No, I do whisk that fast. Did you not see the one where I whisk whipped cream from scratch?
I have seen that.
Yeah. It was really loose. It was barely whipped cream.
It should be brightly colored and thick.
Yeah. Mine always comes out a little bit
What
orange.
color is bright?
Oh, it's like orangey. I don't know, peanut butter color?
Oh, here you go with the rice cooker.
Okay.
First of all, no rice noodles.
Okay, well, so I have to adapt and improvise and overcome.
And also, the whole bit with the rice cooker, all you need is a pot with some hot water. You cook pasta the same way you cook rice. Extra water, drain it out. It's perfect every time.
That's not how they do it in Asia. They use rice cooker
Well,
and they say
I'm
you gotta
sorry
do it.
if they're wrong, but this is the way that it tastes good. And also, it shouldn't be rice at all. It should be rice noodles.
Rice noodles take too much effort to eat.
Rice noodles are so good.
It takes 10 billion years. Also, you're going to be disappointed at the end because I do not put on any bean sprouts.
Oh, that's also a thing you need to do. I know I'm disappointed at the end because I've seen this one before and there were no bean sprouts. You have to be careful with bean sprouts though, they go bad fast. Mm-hmm. You have to buy them the day you make it or else you get
This
slimy
is good
bean
advice,
sprouts.
by the way.
How many times do you rinse your rice?
More, it's...
3 times.
No, you rinse until the water is clear.
3 times.
You rinse until it's clear. I was very impatient here, though. I don't even think I did it all the way. Nope, it's not really clear. But this is a thing.
What?
You go...
One knuckle.
Yeah, one knuckle from the top of the rice.
If I had a rice cooker, great. I would love that tip, but I do it the hard way, like a real person in a pot of boiling water.
Black & Decker. This is the
Also,
same rice cooker that I still
Everybody's
have.
rice cooker that I've ever seen spills rice gunk all over the outside of the thing. Watch. At the end of your video, I bet you'll have rice vomit all over the sides of your rice cooker. I bet you will.
Well, okay.
True, right?
Probably. I do have
Watch
the
your
pre-frequent thing.
fingers.
I do watch my fingers. This is a very sharp knife. This is my fancy. I don't remember the name. Yoshinoya? Yoshinoya?
Shikari.
Oh, I don't remember. But it's a specific brand.
1-inch pieces? Those don't look like 1-inch pieces.
Well, some of us measure with our heart as opposed to our eyes.
You look like you're cutting that chicken like Owen was cutting the celery today. Yeah!
Owen is a 2-year-old. I don't know if we'll keep that bit in. I don't know if they want us to
Wait,
name
are
their
you
baby.
recording?
Yes.
Oh.
That's the whole point of it.
I thought there would be a light or something. I didn't.
The light is there and there.
Oh.
Anyway, here's where you're doing 2 chicken breasts. Oops.
That chicken does not look as nice as the first chicken.
No.
Looks a little bit pale.
Yeah, they're probably from different batches of chickens.
Do you take out all the icky parts?
Yeah, well, this is probably chicken that I did like all front, like I would have gotten bone-in chicken and did the whole thing. But I just didn't show that because that's boring to a lot of
Yeah,
people.
it's also gross.
It is gross. But if you do that, audience, pro tip, you can. Ooh, those were definitely not 1-inch pieces. That one, I can see it. It's massive. Why did I cut that?
I don't know.
But if you, audience...
You're not always attentive to detail.
No,
David.
but I was better at it back then when I was doing these ASMR videos because I was like, oh, I gotta do it really nice and I gotta do it really clean. If you watch the recent ones, it's just chaos. My entire life is just chaos.
That's life right now.
Yeah.
Everybody's life is a bit unkempt.
You can share in the chaos of a cooking
What?
thing.
How? You are going to slice your fingers off.
I am like a professional chef.
No.
Okay, rude.
Okay.
Yeah, nice up-close shot of that chicken. Everybody loves. And then we put it on a plate, thus dirtying another dish. But it's okay, because we're going to save on dishes later. Also, this is back before I sort of fell into this new thing.
Wait, what are you doing?
I
Wiping with
cleaned
just
it.
a dry rag?
Yeah, well, I mean, I cleaned it before, and I was just drying it off.
Did you wash your broccoli?
I did. You can see, because it's wet.
My broccoli's wetter than that when I wash it.
Okay, it's not a competition, although it seems like someone
Just
wants
saying,
to make it a competition.
doesn't seem like that broccoli was washed. What do you do with the stumps? Do you have any chickens that you
No, I
feed it
don't
to?
have any chickens. We live in a place that doesn't allow chickens because
That's mean.
of things about chickens that they don't like. I don't know.
People don't like the way chickens
They're
smell.
prejudiced against chickens. We have a lot of really slow push-ins here. Why don't we do those anymore? Oh, it's because this used to be on the tripod before we changed our setup. That's why. This is like our first... No, this is our second setup.
I was going to say, why are you cutting it when you can just break it?
Well,
Now you're breaking it.
yeah,
Good job.
thanks.
Wait, broccoli doesn't go in this. It's carrots and
Well,
onion
look, you see, I have
and
a carrot.
bean sprouts.
I have a carrot.
I do 1 carrot.
Wait, you put
all
onion?
this broccoli, onion. I
Onion?
put onion in everything.
Oh yeah. I don't think I've. I
I
don't
put onion in
remember-
my coffee in the morning.
I don't think
Not
that's
true.
true. You want some butter?
You give me some butter.
I don't think I remember putting onion in it when you putting onion in it.
I put onion in everything.
Um,
And scallions on top if it's anything.
but I do have a carrot. You
that
see?
is-
You see the
I
carrot?
do see the carrot. I don't see you doing anything with the carrot.
Well, I'm doing things with the
it's
broccoli
like
right
a
now.
prop. You're not even doing anything.
You're not even doing anything.
Are you going to grate the carrot?
Yes.
Okay, well that's good.
I
But
even-
in this dish, you should be dicing it into julienne slices.
Well, Julianne
you
can
know
dice
what
her own
julienne-
slices.
Do you know what julienne means?
Yes.
Chef David?
It means thinly sliced like sticks.
Yes.
Yeah, matchsticks. Okay. Well,
That's a lot of broccoli.
Yeah, but this is. I also did, I think, like 2 or
It's
3
also
or.
foggy.
Yeah,
Why is it foggy?
That's the lens flare.
Oh.
I think they did like 3 or 4 chicken breasts too. We don't waste any food on this show.
Good. Don't like wasted food.
Even if it doesn't turn out right, we still we still show it on camera
And you eat it.
and we still eat it. This is for garnish. You don't cook this bit.
No, you do cook a little bit of it, and then you put the rest on top.
Is this what you mean by onion? Or do you mean
No,
like white onion?
I put white onion in it.
I don't remember that. I don't remember. You
I
don't
know,
still
because-
make this dish, do you?
No, not very often, because Dad's not into it. It has pasta.
Well, maybe he would like it if it was on
Actually,
rice.
you know what he wants me to do? He wants
No.
me to do all of this except put it in a rice paper wrapper,
Well, that's what a
which
lot
is
of people
basically
do.
the same
It is
thing.
basically the same thing. But that's more work. Now we shred the carrots. I don't know. Are you one of those people who thinks like you don't have to peel the carrot?
I always peel the carrot. I know people who, your sister's one of them, just washes the carrot. I can't do it. I like it to look nice and clean. I don't like seeing dingy carrot bits in my bright orange carrot pile. So I don't just wash. I peel the carrot.
Well, I did.
But if you were making chicken stock, you can take that bit of the carrot and put it right into the pot and cook it.
Mm-hmm.
You can put the onion peels, everything.
And
garlic.
who knows? Maybe I did just that because
What?
I probably deboned that chicken. Okay, so this is my little garnish thing: peanuts and sesame seeds, and carrot shavings and green onion.
Yep. I like your little bowls.
Thank you.
You could also use chunky peanut butter, and then you wouldn't have to have little peanuts for garnish.
I think just having a little bit of peanuts on top is a nice little crunch to it.
So is bean sprouts.
Okay, to the cooking. This is my very white kitchen. It was hard to light it because it would become very bright. There's a good shot of my armpit.
You have a pan that's almost as bright and shiny as the ones on the real cooking shows.
Okay, real.
I mean the ones on television that people pay a lot of money to the stars. to be on.
Someday, people will pay a lot of money to this star.
Toast the broccoli?
Yes. Do you not do that?
No.
Why not?
I steam my broccoli.
Gross. Boy, there's some beautiful broccoli.
It looks like a lot less broccoli than you actually cut up.
Yeah, because I think I probably did this in 2 batches, but I lie to the viewers and say I'm doing it all at once, probably.
Do you
But-
not have a big pan?
I think this is the biggest pan I have. That's also stainless steel as opposed to non-stick.
That's fine for toasting broccoli.
It's fine for doing the whole thing.
I'm not sure about that.
We are just gonna watch this.
How long do
We're
we
gonna watch
you
this broccoli cook in real time, apparently.
pushing broccoli around a pan?
No wonder nobody watched these
It
videos.
looks brighter now than it did before.
Yeah, this angle is like directly under the light.
Chomp.
I think I'm checking to see if it's got any char on it, but it's obviously still cold enough that I can pick it
Yeah.
up with my fingers. Not that that's really stopped me. I've burnt my fingers a lot on this show and outside of this show. I think I'm done with the
Is
broccoli
that your
now.
spurtle?
No, it's just a spatula. You never
Oh, I didn't
got
get you
me
a
a spurtle.
spurtle. Oh.
You said many years ago, "Oh, I have discovered this new thing. It's a spurtle." And I thought, "Isn't that a Pokemon?" And you said, "No, it's a spatula." And then I said, "Why don't you just use a spatula?" And then you said, "No, it's a spurtle." And then you said, "I'm going to get you one for Christmas." And you never did.
I know. It was going to be for your birthday, but then the feedback I got from the children that I had bought spurtles from, and my own feedback was $25 for a wooden tool that peeled and splintered a little bit was probably too much money to spend on a kitchen tool.
Do you think I'm going to grab that extra little broccoli
I
back
hope
there?
so, because
Doesn't
it's
look
driving
like
me
it.
crazy.
Oh, there's another.
Nope.
Oh, no, never mind. That's just the thing. Well, I guess I'm not. What are we doing here? Where are we going? Oh, all right. Over to the pan again. Nope. Guess I'm just going to leave that broccoli there.
That's a lot of chicken for a little bit of sesame oil.
It's also a lot of chicken for a little bit of pan. I should have.
Salt, pepper.
No, because it's got soy sauce in it and chili paste, so you don't need to pepper
How
or
it's
salt.
sticking because
Yes.
there's not enough sesame oil.
Yes. I see. Do as I say,
shredding the
viewers, not as
chicken.
I do. I know, because it's stuck to the pan.
Oh boy.
No one ever said at this point that I was good at this. Turns out, if you got a camera and a kitchen, you can have your own show. And if you have a zesty, in-your-face attitude, then you can have fun commentary to it, too.
I just have the kitchen. I don't have the camera, so I'm just going to keep cooking.
I'm going to keep having sassy comments about my cooking. See, I added more.
More sesame oil.
Yeah.
That's sensible, David.
See, let's see. What do I say? You can add more sesame oil if you need to, or if you just want to smell it more. Because sesame oil is one of the best things to smell. Ideally, okay, so this is something that you do differently, don't you? You cook the chicken, but then keep it separate from the sauce? And then you pour the sauce on after or something?
What are we making again? Piping chicken. I would have cooked onions and carrots in the pan first.
Oh, did I not color that shot? Why did it change so drastically? It's dark.
Your arm's in the way.
I know.
I would cook the vegetables first, then I would put the chicken in, salt and pepper. And then,
That's bright again.
trying to think. Taipei chicken, do we just put the sauce on top of the noodles?
I finish...
The chicken?
I don't know. I finish it cooking in the sauce.
Yeah.
But I don't remember you doing that.
No, I think I cook the chicken, carrots, add it to the pasta, the rice noodles, and then pour the sauce over. And that's why I put twice as much sauce, because it's mixed in with the noodles.
But you don't put broccoli in it.
No.
Because you don't have health in your life like I do.
I have lots of health. That's a very dark pumpkin-y color.
Coconut in it.
The coconut does not change the color.
Well,
It's your weird chili sauce that you use that
but
makes
it's
it that
still
color.
red. It's the same color as
Mine
your
is
chili
not.
sauce.
Mine is like a nut brown, peanut butter brown.
Well,
Yours is some kind of artificial orange, radioactive orange.
keep it to yourself.
And also there's no noodles. Mine's more saucy.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think I made enough sauce for this particular batch.
A little cornstarch too, to thicken it.
You don't need cornstarch if you use enough peanut butter.
False.
Wow.
Now it's not even orange anymore.
I know, because we changed the camera. See?
Then suddenly it's saucy.
Yeah. No cornstarch added. Thank you very much. Whoa, whoa. The camera's going a little bit all over the place. Look at that. Nice fluffy rice. A little stuck together. But look at that plating.
Well, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Well, that was it. What do you think?
Well, I mean, it looks tasty, but it would be better with noodles and sambal and bean sprouts and no broccoli.
Well, now you're sounding like the comments on the bottom of a recipe blog that says, I loved it. This is all the things that you should do better
I
instead.
don't ever read those.